Hello class, good morning, and today we have a topic replication of a list. So we will see here what is the replication of the list. For the replication we are using the asterisk sign, and it is used to replicate the list. That means repeated the item with specified number of times. That means if we have any list A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and we want if this list items may repeated 2 times, 3 times, so we have to use here asterisk sign. So we will write here B is equal to A into 2. So that means what? If these expressions will execute, the compiler will give you a list, another list, and that is what? 1, 2, 3, one time, and again the items will repeat it. So that is a replication of a list. Means B is equal to A into 2, the number of items inside the A will be repeated. If we have written 2, then 2 times. If we have written 3 here, then 3 times. So that is called as a replication of what? List. So now we are going to see here another topic, and this topic is slicing the list. Slicing the list. What do you mean by slice here? Slice means part of the list. If we have a larger list 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and if we want to take a part of the list, means we want to take some item of the list from here to there, so we have to extract out by using which topic? Slicing. Means we have to know how to do the slicing, then we can take some part of the list, and that is called as a what? Slicing. So look here. Before going to explain about slicing of the list, one thing we have to understand about the index. If we have a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That much items are inside the list. So compiler is giving the index of all items, and index are in both direction, from left to right and from right to left. If we are accessing from left to right, so we have an index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if we are accessing from the right side to left side, so we have a indexing start from the -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. These are the indexes. That means by using these indexes we can access any particular item. That means if we want to access this one, So from the left side it is the last element, and from the last right side it is the first element. So I can access like that also, a of 8, or I can write here a of minus 1. By both indexes I can access the element what, 18. So always remember, if in the slicing negative numbers are used, so how we do specify if from where we are going to extract the items, we have to remember this negative indexes. Negative indexes always start from the right side, and positive indexes from 0 always start from the left side. So in the slicing we will use the positive and negative both indexes. So now look here. What are the syntax? For slicings, we have to use list, and we have to write here start and to stop. Start and stop means from where, from which index start is here. That is used to start means to define here, define the starting index, and here stop means up to last index minus 1. Up to last index minus 1, that means what? If we are writing a is equal to 0 to 5, that means the compiler will, sorry, colon we have to use, not comma. If we have written 0 to 5, that means so if we have written a 0 to 5, that means compiler will give the element from the index 0 to 5 minus 1, that is 4. That means it return the index from 0 to 4. Always remember, if we are writing here the last element, compiler will do minus 1. Means if you have given 4, so it will give the element from 0 to 4. I will show you the example. If you have a list A is equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So indexing I will also do 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the negative indexes will start from here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Both indexing I have done from left side also 0 to 8, and from the right side from minus 1 to 9. So, okay, so I have taken one list and stores numbers here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, and I have done the indexing from both sides. From the left side it may start from the 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and from the right side the indexes will start from the negative minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3, minus 4. So there is a one point which we have to always remember. When we are doing the slicing, it may take the value always from which direction? This direction. From left to right. This is the point that always keep in our mind whenever we are going to take the slicing of the list. Means always slicing it may take from this direction. It will never come from this direction. Always it will do the slicing from this direction. Either you may use the positive index, either you may use the negative index. So look here. If here we are writing ls, and at the time of slicing always you have to pass here index from 0 and colon, we have to use the colon. Only the colon will tell you if you are going to use the slice. 0 to the 4. So 0 to 4 means it always do -1 with the last value. That means if we are writing here 0 to 4, so 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. That means it give the value between 0 index to up to the third index. So what is the 0 to third index means that much value it may take it out. So it will come 10, 11, 12 and 13. That much value the compiler will return, and it may return only in the form of which one? It may return in the form of list only. It will not give the separate value in other way like a tuple, like a dictionary. It will return the value also in the form of list. So that is a slicing of the positive number. Now see here what will be happen when we are writing negative index. So we have written here ls, and we have written from 4 to 8. So where is the fourth index? Here, -4. And 8 means 8 minus 1, it will come what? 7. So that means it return the value from -4 to 7 index. So where is the -4? Here. So it return the value from here. And now we have passed here the positive index. So positive index is where? 7 here. So it will go -4 and now 6 and now 7. So it returns the value between what? 15 to 17. That means 15, 16, 17. This point you have to understand very nicely, because here we have used negative and positive both indexes. So when we are using positive and negative both indexes, how the compiler is returning? Look here, I have written -4. Where is the -4 index? Here. That means 15. Clear? And we have to get the value up to the 8. So where is the 8 index? Here. So 8 means it will do always -1 in the last value. That means 7. So -4 to +7. So -4 is starting from here and 7 up to here. That means we will get the value from where? 5, 6, 7. So we'll get the value what? 5, 6, 7. But my dear student, if you have written like that, ls -4 and up to -9. So -4 is here and 9 is here. That means we are going to get the value from here, and that is not possible. So compiler will return only the empty list, because I told you always slicing compiler is doing from this direction, and according to this the value is coming from here to opposite direction. So opposite direction means from left to right. From right to left. Slicing will not done. Only slicing will done from where? From right to left. Always keep in your mind. So here why it will come empty? Because we are taking value from where? From -4 to this direction, and this direction is not possible. Now we have to see some more. If we have written here ls from 5 to 20, 5 to 20, and we have the maximum index is 8. In that case, compiler will not give error. It may take the value from which onwards? fifth onwards, fifth index onward. That means from here to all value it will give. Means what the value will come? 15, 16, 17, 18. So if you have written the index and that is the upper bound index, that is the beyond the index, no problem. Compiler will give the value from 5 onwards, all values, fifth index, all values. So from fifth to all value will get 15, 16, 17, 18. Same here. If we have a negative index, maximum how much? -9, and from ls we have given from 100 to where? Up to -4. So no problem, 100 index is existing or not existing, it may start the value from which index? From the 0 index, and it will go up to -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4. That means it return the value from here to there, that much. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and what? -5, 4, it will become -1, so it will become -5, and only 14 will come. I think mathematical students, they will understand. In the -4, if we will do -1, what the value will come? -5, so it will get the value only up to here. So this is known as a slicing the string, slicing the list. In this format, I can use also like that. If we have written ls colon to 3, that means starting value we have not given, so compiler will take from which index? 0 index, and 3. So in the 3 it will do -1. What the value will come? 2. So what we have to give here? 0 to 2. We will get the value from which index? From 0 index up to the second index. Now we will do slicing in the other way also. What? Start and we have to use here step. Yeah, we can say this one is stop, start, stop, and step. What do you mean by that? This one is both are same. If we have given here 0 to 4, so it will return the value from 0 to 3, 4, -1. In the stop value, always compiler will do -1. And here one new terms are given, step. What is the use of the step? Step means if we want to get the alternate index value, that means we want gapping of 2 to index. So what we will give here? Look, we are giving here 0 to 10, gapping of 2. So gapping of 2 means if indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. So that means compiler will start from 0, and again 0 plus 2, 2, means 0 index it will take. Then the 2 index, 2 plus 2, 4, that means 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, and 10 means it has to go only up to the 8, because 10 minus 1 it will come 9, and after the 8, 9 it will not take because it has to move to the 10. So it will return the value from which index is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So look here one example of this one. This slicing we have to understand nicely, otherwise it may create a problem for the board student. and for the board exam also, because slicing we have to understand very nicely, because we have to see when which values will come. So here we have a list ls is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What is the indexing? It is stored on 0 index, 1, 2. Indexing will not be confused, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And if we have given here ls 0 to 10, step 2. So that means computer has to return the value between where? 0 to 10 minus 1, and that is a 9. So computer will return the value between 0 to 9, and that is also gapping of two numbers. Gapping of two means 0, then next one is a 0 plus 2, next one is a, it will become 2, then 2 plus 2, it will become 4, and then 4 plus 2, it will become 6, and then it will return value 6 plus 2, 8, and 8 plus 2, it is a 10, and that is not possible because we have to get value up to the 9 only. So here, what index value we are getting? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. So computer will return the value of these indexes, and these indexes are 0 means 1, 2 means 3, 4 means 5, 6 is, that means this value, 7 and 8 is a 9. That much value computer will return. So that is a what? Next method of the slicing, in that we are using the step also. Step you can use any number. Now some homeworks I will give you, that you have to find out. If we have a list 1 is equal to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and we have another list 2, that value is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and we have written here ls3 is equal to, take this one ls1, ls1, and we have written here ls1 plus ls2, and then we have another list ls4, and in that we have written ls3, and we are doing the slicing from 0 to 6, and then we are writing here print ls4. You have to tell what will be the output that computer will produce. So this is your first homework. Now another homework we will see. Homework 2. If we have a list is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have a ls2, and we have written ls 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, and we have written in here 4. So 0 to 4 means it has to return the value from 0 to 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. We will get into 4, and then we have print ls2. So thank you class. Only write much homework. Find out. Tell me. Thank you.